Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun. Well, we're just doing a quick unboxing. We're looking at this Insta360 X3 camera here, which I've recently purchased, and I'm not actually going to do a proper review of this camera. I will upload vision and give you my thoughts on the camera itself, but in this video I'm just going to do a very quick unboxing to show you what you actually get in the box. So let's get in the box and see what you actually get with this basic version of this Insta360 X3. So the first thing out the box is a series of little manuals, including a quick guide and also how to operate it waterproof and show you how to make sure everything's sealed. It also comes with the warranty card. So they're the first things out the box. Next are two stickers, and of course they're copying Apple here, but they've got one transparency one and one in yellow and black, which I like quite a lot because I like that particular colour, so they also give you those in the box. Comes with a very short but usable USB-C cable, so you get that too for charging and transferring data, so that's included. A nice little wipey cloth that you would use to wipe the screen, so they give you that too. This little pouch thing for putting the camera in, and it's got this little hole here so that you can also charge it when it's in this pouch, so they give you some sort of way of protecting the camera until you buy, say, a proper case. And finally we've got the actual camera itself, and as you can see it's pretty big, but not overly big, bigger than a GoPro, but quite robust in feeling. Of course it's got the two lenses, being that it's a 360 camera, got a screen, got the ability to mount it on a tripod. Of course it takes a battery inside, it's got an internal battery, and you can add a microphone and other accessories to it. Now, I said at the beginning this is not necessarily going to be a review, it's just a quick unboxing of what you get in this box, and down the track what I will do is upload another video with some of the footage and also my thoughts on this actual camera going forward. So until then, as always, thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.